Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In this additional is a jigsaw Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, December the 18th, 2023. Already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku I've already solved, and a binary. So it's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku number, I believe number 7645. Yeah, 7645. Let me put this here. 4, 5. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always one. Only one single box here. Always a one. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? Let me check. No dual boxes here. Contains the 1 and 2. How about the triple boxes? Here. See, only one triple box contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Insufficient information. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Can it be a 5 because we have a 5 there? So this box should be a 4. Alright. Next question. Do we have a quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box in an L shape. When you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Alright. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. More quadra boxes. Let me check. Nope. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that here we have the same shape, that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here are another same shape, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. The T shape. More T shapes in this puzzle? Nope. And then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Only one. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. Okay. Here another one. Upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And oh, overlook this shape. This is this shape. Overlook this shape. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Overlooked, overlooked. We have 2 of those. Yeah. Then the final shape, I believe. This shape, the L shape. Rotated. Let me put the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. We have more L shapes in this puzzle. No. This is not quite an L shape in a quadra. No, we need a L shape with 5 boxes. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Maximum 6. I believe the 6th one is the S or the Z construction. Yeah. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be 5, so 1 box left with 5 in this area. Should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left with a 4 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left with a 4 in this area. Should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright. These 3 boxes. Surround 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left with a 1 in this area. Should be here, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left with a 4 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left with a 4 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes surrounding 4 can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left with a 4 in this L-shaped area. Should be here. This box can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 box left in this quarter box for number 3. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright. These 3 boxes. Surround 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 2. This box can be 4. Oh, wait, well, we already have a 4 there. This box can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, that means that this box can be a 4. And these 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left with a 4 in this cross area. Should be here. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. Let me think. This box can be 2, that box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, we have 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Well, I cannot place a 2 there. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here. 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, should be a 4, give me a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because give me 1, give me 2, should be a 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. This box give me 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box give me 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution to place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3. We have a double 3 there. Give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me think. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be a 2 and more. That box should be a 2. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 1. Yeah, let me mark those. 3 and 1. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be 4. That box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. And also that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is connected with that box. Should be so 2 or a 3. Alright. Then. Let me think. Come on. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and 3. Okay. Let me think. Come on. Well, I cannot place the 3 there because we need a 3 in one of these 3 boxes. If you place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of these 3 boxes. So this should be a 1. That box should be a 3. Okay. Then this box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there then. Okay. 1, 2. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Alright, 1 and 3. We have 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes elevator 3. We have 3 now, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. So I've eliminated a 2 here, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated a 5, so the 5 goes there. And I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3 is connected with that box should be so 2 or a 3. But we have a 2 there, so it can be 2 anymore. This should be a 3 then. And here I've eliminated 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 2 goes here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area should be for the number 2. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those. 1 and 5. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3. That box should be a 1. Alright. Then. I think this box should be a 1. Because can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1 is connected with that box. Should be also 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, we have a double 2 there, can be 3, we have a double 3 there, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4, so 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3, well, need to wait, yeah, also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 5 and a 3, 5 and a 3, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. And I think this box should be a 2 because give me 1. Should be 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. Finish 16 minutes. Wow. Whoa. Excuse me. We solved again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, we will meet again tomorrow. Tomorrow on Tuesday, we have another puzzles, another newspaper, another additional, I hope, and extra puzzles. So until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Monday.